Let's add a name for the ad group. Then we add a banner by clicking the Add button. There are two options how to add a banner. 1. Using Ad Builder, or 2. Uploading an existing creative. This is the same ad builder used for image ads in Yandex.Direct. You can either start from scratch and create your own creative in several different formats, or select from those banners you have already uploaded. Please note that in contrast with image ads, display campaigns permit the use of HTML5 banners. Let's look at how to create a banner in Ad Builder. Click Add, and then select Create New from Template. We select a template and start filling it in. The background image, we can choose from our own files, upload from a link, choose from our library, or select from ones that we've already uploaded. Let's select one from our library. After that, we choose the colors for the background and the border. Add our text and choose the text's color. Then you do the same for the text of your button. Next, you can choose the tint of the background image to make the text above more legible. Then you can upload your logo if you have one. Again, you can choose a file from your computer, upload one using a link, or choose from logos you previously uploaded. Next, you'll need to add the domain and select a color. Pay special attention to the warnings and age restrictions. Depending on the products or services being advertised, you may be required to place warnings in your ads, for example, informational resources or baby food. We have posted links below this video with information to help you determine whether you need to add warnings, and if so, which ones. The last setting here is information about the advertiser. Depending on your type of business, you will have to indicate information about your company. For example, its legal name or contact details. To the left, you can see the formats you want to add. Check to see how your creative will look in different formats and disable the ones that you don't like. To maximize your audience coverage, we recommend leaving as many formats as possible active. After these settings, click Create. Then you tick off the banner packages you want to add. Yandex.Direct will suggest that you enter the domain for all the banners. We'll enter our domain once to save time later. The interface will show all of the uploaded banners separately.